Hey, it's Bakisa and welcome back to the Canva Cafe. I can't wait to show you how I did this tutorial in time for Mother's Day, so stay tuned. So we're going to be making these two Mother's Day social media posts / flyers, and the card like this one you can also print it out if you want to and make it available, to hand out as a gift card or whatever at your salon or wherever. And they are also going to be motion flyers because I like everything to move. So we're going to start off with these two scrap pages, and I like to collect things and have them ready. So I'll hover over the elements and you can just look and see what they are in case you want to use them. So most of this you can just look and watch. And I do apply shadows to everything, and my shadow function was acting up, and I don't know what was going on. So I wanted to leave it in there to show you it was acting up. So make sure you add a shadow. I wasn't able to, and I just got frustrated, and I don't know what had happened. But the original one, the shadow did work, and it was a drop shadow. And so I just find little elements just to jazz up this credit card type of thing. And if you want to print it out without the whole background and maybe have it printed as a business card or a customer rewards card or whatever you want to do. And I'm showing you that this element, you can change colors to blend with your brand. And this font I use, I downloaded it, I believe from What the Font, but if not, you probably can find it on Creative Fabrica. And I do have a link for Creative Fabrica where you could get a lot of fonts for free. And I'm just utilizing the circle, and I'm doing this gradient effect to show you how to make it look metallic for that MasterCard type of sign. And I did duplicate it, and I went back in and changed the colors. And feel free to slow down the video. I kind of sped it up so that I won't hold you so long, but you can just slow it down and pause and follow the steps. It's really kind of easy. And here I'm just adding a flare and showing you how you can make the metallic look blingy. And I'm adding a video, and I have several videos on how to add videos to the background, and mostly all my flyers are motion flyers. And I'm just showing you how you can shorten the video up there so it won't run as long. And I'm adding these little champagne glasses, and once again I'm hovering over the elements so you can see what it is. And I thought these pearl bubbles were so cute to make the champagne look realistic. And I learned to do this like a bajillion years ago when I first started using Canva, being really creative. And the key to making it look realistic is to shrink them and to make it a little bit more transparent, so it just looks like effervescent bubbles. So let me know what you think about it. And of course, when you use it in motion, you'll post it on the social media and post it as a reel, or as a video. You download it as an MP4. Otherwise, it won't have the motions. But if you just want to download it as a printable or just like a post, just download it as a regular PNG. And I'm just showing you I'm adding the little flare just to make the champagne glass look like it's blinging. And I had the duplicate VIP sign and nobody told me, so I had to go back in and delete it. And off to this one, so you can just look and watch. And I'm just referring back to my page, and I'm just going to really kind of cut and paste and also hover over everything in case you want to use the same things that I use. And in some flyers, I use the flower as an accent in their hair to make it look cute. So you could do something like that. And this one I'm going to make a different type of motion flyer. I'm going to add this hair bundle, and I'm going to use the animation and hit custom animation. And all you have to do is press the key down and slide it however you want it to go. And when you let it go, it'll program it to be in that motion. And then you can hit those other buttons at the top if you want it to be steady, smooth, what have you. You can speed up the speed of how fast or how slow you want it to go. And then you can add all these other effects if you want it to pulse. And I think it says pulse or flicker. I can't tell right now. But I use that one that goes in and out and fades when I do like Halloween flyers, because it makes it look a little spooky. But let me know which one was your favorite, and if you found this tutorial helpful, if I went too fast, if you want me to do them slower. I just don't want to hold you too long, and I'm so tired. I worked my 16-hour shift last night, so excuse the manly voice. I am so tired. And next I'm going to show you how you could just switch up all the colors to match with your brand or holiday seasons. But thank you for always showing up and supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. And I just hit 900 subscribers, supporters. Love you. Bye.